You can't change them but you can change how you respond, you can change how you love them, you can change how your attitude, your reaction, responding in humility. Babalik ka pa rin lagi dun sa principles ni Jesus. Because He loved you, because He showed His grace to you, you do the same then. Don't give up. Huwag kang mag-give up dun sa ano. Malakas talaga yung temptation na, hindi na siya nagbaba. Ayaw yung tanggapin, di wala na. Di ba? Ayoko na rin. Di ba? Hindi dapat ganun As long as we're alive, like what my sister is saying, we do our part, we do our best. We don't give up. It doesn't mean na buong time mo just to win her over. Siyempre, there will be moments na, sige, I'll pause for a while. I'll give her space. I'll give him space. Hindi naman yung lagi ka makulit kasi pag lagi ka makulit, baka lalo kayo mag-away kasi gusto rin niya ng space, gusto rin niya pag-isipan yon. So, wisdom din from God yan. So, the more you pray, the more God will give you wisdom how to relate with your siblings, with your family members, how to win them over. And then, masusurprise ka na lang. Maybe it can be a very crucial event in his life or her